Good morning, students. In the yesterday session, we solved some example from practice set 4.2, which is based on the output tax, input tax, credit, and the concept of GST calculation. Now, from that same exercise, I am going to explain you, and in the Zoom meeting also, I explained the third question. Now, today I am going to explain the question number 4. That is Malik Gas Agency. So, Malik Gas Agency purchased some gas cylinder for industrial use of rupees 24,500 and sold them, means purchasing price is 24,500 and sold them the local customer for rupees 26,500. Remember that when you are purchasing, then it is an input tax, and when you are selling, then on that amount you have to calculate the output tax. Okay, now find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5% and hence the CGST and UTGST. Why it is UTGST? Because it is in a which union territory. Okay, so therefore union territory is there, then instead of SGST it is a UTGST, that is union territory Chandigarh. Some cities are there which are in the union territory, and if it is a business is with them, then you have to pay the SGST. Instead of SGST you have to pay the UTGST. Now what is the Malik Gas Agency output tax? What is the amount? It is 26,500. Rate of GST is 5%. So on 5% of 26,500, it is 1,325. Now what is input tax? Input tax means at the time of purchase, how much amount, at what amount that Malik Gas Agency purchase, it is 24,500. Therefore it is 5% of 4,500, 24,500, so it is 1,225, and therefore the ITC for the Malik Gas Agency, that is your input tax, 1,225, and GST payable is output tax minus of input tax. Instead of writing the input tax here, we have to use the word ITC, that is input tax credit. Okay, and then it is 1,325 minus 1,225, so 100 rupees GST payable to the government. Next, so CGST, UTGST, that is GST payable, that is 100 divided by 2. So CGST is equal to UTGST, that is 50 rupees, and therefore the GST to be paid at the rate of 5% is 100, and hence GST and UTGST paid for the transaction is rupees 50 each. Means 50 goes to the CGST and 50 rupees goes to the UTGST. Okay, sometimes it will not ask you up to this only, they will ask you what is GST paid, then up to this you have to calculate. If they are asking the separately, means GST and UTGST, then you have to calculate this also, and compulsory to write the answer in a statement. Now question number 5. MS Beauty product paid 18% of GST on the cosmetic worth rupees 6,000 and sold to a customer for rupees 10,000. What are the amount of CGST and HGST? Now input tax, input cosmetic paid 18% GST on cosmetic rupees 6,000 and sold, means at what price he that beauty product purchase at 6,000. So your input tax is on 6,000 and your output tax is on 10,000 because it is sold by the customer at 10,000. And what is the rate of GST? 18%. Firstly calculate the input tax, that is on, here it is calculated output. Let it be, output tax is 18% of 10,000, it is 1,800. Okay, so what are the amount of CGST and HGST shown in the tax invoice issued? Okay, just in a tax invoice, tax invoice means whenever you are, what are amount, it is not as the GST paid to the government, it asks that because this product is sold to the customer at a price of 10,000 rupees. So just in the bill, on a bill, how much amount they have to pay CGST and SGST, that amount is printed on a bill. So it is not as GST payable. Here it is as just CGST SGST amount on a bill, which is at the time of purchasing that product by the customer, and therefore it is 18% of 10,000, that is 1800, and therefore CGST and SGST is rupees 900 shown in the tax invoice. टैक्स इन्वॉइस मीन्स बिल के ऊपर कितना अमाउंट कस्टमर ने पेड किया है वो हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. यहाँ पे जीएसटी पेएबल कैलकुलेट नहीं करना है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू सॉल्व in this way. Now the question number 6. Prepare the business to customer tax invoice. Business to customers means when you are a customer, you are purchasing a product from a shopkeeper, then at that time when you are purchasing the product on bill, which are the important points you have to mention. So you have to prepare the bill in such a way that, so write the name of the supplier, address, date, invoice number, GST IN number, and choose a supplier. So you have to prepare the bill. Now rate of mobile battery, which are the product particulars are mobile battery rupees 200, rate of GST is 12%, HSN code is also given. So rate of headphone, everything is given. On that basis you have to calculate the CGST SGST. Now rate of mobile battery is rupees 200. What is the 12% on 200? CGST and SGST separately calculate because it is mentioned separately on a tax invoice. So 6% of 200 is rupees 12, and SGST CGST is paid by on the mobile battery is rupees 12, and rate of headphone is 750. 9% of 750 is 67 rupees. So CGST and SGST paid on the headphone is 67.5 rupees. So in this way you have to prepare the tax invoice. See, supplier detail, GST IN number, all of you know where, invoice date, at what date purchased, invoice number, it come randomly, serial number 1 and 2, their HSN code, name of the product, rate, quantity how much, taxable amount is means MRP, and on that value how much GST and CGST SGST they paid, and total amount. So in this way you have to prepare another bill by taking your own and prepare the tax invoice and send me up to session. This is your homework. So prepare a tax invoice. Now the last question, prepare the business to business. Business to business means wholesaler to retailer. Same way, same. Okay, according to given items, firstly calculate CGST, SGST for both, and they in this way means a supplier is who, recipient is who, their amount CGST SGST. Okay, always remember that when business to business is there, for supplier also and for the retailer also, both they should have a GST IN number. So quantity, how much purchase, because wholesaler they are giving, wholesaler means one quantity we are taking, no, it is more only. So what is different? Both having the different address, both having their GST IN number, and the quantity should be different. According to quantity you have to calculate the tax. So same. What is your today's homework then? Business to customer and business to business. Prepare the tax invoice and send me up to the session time. Understood, students? So like this bill, minimum 5 goods you have to take. Okay, means 5 different products you have to take with a different rate of GST. Okay.